Did you know that eating one simple food before 8 a.m. can slow the aging of your leg muscles by nearly 10 years? It isn't a supplement, a powder, or anything expensive. It is something almost everyone has seen countless times, yet most people ignore it every single morning without understanding what it can do for their strength. My name is Markus Dexter, and today I want to show you why your first meal of the day has more influence on your legs than any workout or supplement ever will. New research now shows that adding a single breakfast food can help adults over 60 preserve leg strength, improve stability, prevent nighttime cramps, and lower the risk of muscle loss by more than 70%. Millions of seniors slowly lose mobility and independence, not because of age, but because they unintentionally harm their legs every morning with the wrong breakfast habits. What you eat within the first hour of waking either protects your legs or quietly weakens them. Before we continue, I would love to know where you are watching from, and if you enjoy learning how to stay strong after 60, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. After 7 to 9 hours of sleep, your body enters a fasting state and begins breaking down its own muscle to create energy. The muscles affected first are always the largest ones, which means your legs are the first to suffer. This explains why many seniors wake up feeling stiff, heavy, slow, or unsteady, even when they believe they slept well. It also explains why balance worsens, why walking feels harder, and why cramps or numbness appear so frequently in the morning. This process, known as sarcopenia, accelerates after 60. It does not cause pain and shows no warning signs. Most people think this is aging, but it isn't. It is muscle loss caused by an unprotected morning. The National Institute on Aging warns that adults over 60 can lose up to 1/3 of their leg muscle mass within a decade, and this loss affects everything: balance, walking speed, circulation, bone density, and even sleep and memory. When your legs weaken, your entire body begins to struggle. But the encouraging truth is that the first meal you eat can stop this process instantly. If you choose correctly, your legs begin repairing themselves the moment you put food in your mouth. If you choose incorrectly, the decline continues long before your day has even begun. So, let's talk about foods that help you regain leg strength. The first morning food that consistently helps seniors rebuild leg strength is the simplest one of all: whole eggs. Nothing matches their ability to stop the overnight breakdown of muscle and immediately switch the body back into repair mode. The moment you wake up, your legs are in a weakened, depleted state, and eggs deliver exactly what they need at exactly the right time. Their complete protein provides every amino acid your muscles require to recover, and the presence of leucine activates the process of rebuilding even when muscle regeneration naturally slows with age. The yolk holds extra support that many older adults are missing without realizing it. Vitamin D inside the yolk strengthens neuromuscular coordination, while vitamin B12 helps nerve signals travel to your leg muscles smoothly so your steps remain controlled, steady, and balanced. Iron in eggs improves blood flow to the lower body, something that becomes increasingly important after 60 when circulation naturally declines. Researchers have found that older adults who eat eggs in the morning regain strength more quickly, walk with greater stability, and feel more confident on their feet within weeks. The key is to eat them within the first hour of waking so the body receives the nutrients at the moment it needs them most. Whether they are boiled or gently scrambled with vegetables, they act as powerful fuel for your legs and a natural defense against the silent decline that happens each morning. Another breakfast that quietly strengthens the legs is a warm bowl of oatmeal combined with chia seeds. This simple combination provides exactly the kind of steady, long-lasting nourishment aging muscles need after a night of fasting. When you wake up, your muscles have used up most of their stored energy, and oatmeal restores it gently without sudden spikes or crashes in blood sugar. This slow release of energy helps your legs feel lighter, more stable, and more responsive throughout the morning, especially during walking or climbing stairs. Chia seeds enhance this effect in a way most people never expect. They supply minerals that aging muscles depend on to relax, contract smoothly, and receive oxygen efficiently. Magnesium in the seeds eases the tightness that often appears after sleep and reduces the likelihood of sudden morning cramps. Potassium supports the electrical activity inside the muscle fibers, allowing your legs to move with better control. The omega-3 fatty acids naturally present in chia calm inflammation, which makes movement feel smoother and less stiff. When warm oatmeal absorbs these seeds, the two foods work together to deliver comfort, steadiness, and sustained strength. Many seniors notice that they feel more grounded when standing, less wobbly when turning, and more energized during the first part of the day. Eating this meal in the morning gives your legs a dependable foundation and protects them from the fatigue and imbalance that often come from unstable blood sugar or poor nutrient intake. Warm oatmeal with chia may appear modest, but it supports the lower body in ways that make a meaningful difference in daily life. Another morning food that supports strong, steady legs is the banana, which acts as a natural source of the minerals your muscles depend on after a night of fasting. By the time you wake up, your body has used much of its stored potassium, and this loss can make your legs feel tight, uncooperative, or prone to cramping. When you eat a banana in the morning, you restore that balance quickly, giving your leg muscles what they need to contract smoothly and maintain stable movement throughout the day. Many seniors who regularly include bananas in their morning routine notice that their legs cramp less often, especially at night, and that walking feels more controlled and fluid. The gentle sweetness of the fruit works well with foods like oatmeal or yogurt, and the fiber inside it helps keep your energy steady rather than allowing sudden drops that weaken the legs. However, the real benefit lies in its ability to support nerve signaling between the brain and the muscles, which is essential for balance and coordination after 60. Eating a banana shortly after breakfast, rather than on an empty stomach, helps the body absorb its nutrients more gradually and keeps blood sugar stable. For most older adults, even a single small banana each morning becomes a simple and reliable way to reduce cramping, improve the strength of each step, and support long-term leg health. Greek yogurt is another remarkably effective breakfast choice for adults over 60 who want to protect and rebuild their leg strength. Unlike regular yogurt, it contains a higher concentration of slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles gradually, which is especially important after a night when the body has already begun breaking down muscle tissue for energy. When you give your legs this steady supply of building material early in the morning, you support their ability to repair themselves and regain the firmness and stability that often fade with age. The nutrients inside Greek yogurt work together in a way that benefits both balance and movement. Its protein helps restore the muscle fibers that keep your steps strong and controlled, while the natural calcium and vitamin D support the bones and the neuromuscular communication that determine how smoothly your legs respond to each step. The probiotics it contains also improve digestion, allowing your body to absorb nutrients more effectively throughout the day, which indirectly supports healthier circulation and stronger muscles. Many older adults notice that when they begin their day with Greek yogurt, they feel steadier on their feet and experience fewer sudden cramps or moments of instability. When eaten within the first hour of waking, the yogurt acts almost like a quiet partner to your muscles, giving them exactly what they need to begin the day with confidence. Its creamy texture makes it easy to pair with foods like berries or cinnamon, which can further enhance its benefits without complicating your morning routine. Greek yogurt may seem like a simple breakfast, but for aging legs, it becomes a reliable source of strength and comfort. Salmon and other fatty fish offer a powerful way to support aging leg muscles, especially when eaten in the morning. These fish contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation inside the muscle tissue, allowing your legs to move with greater ease and less stiffness. When inflammation decreases, even simple actions like standing up from a chair or taking the first steps of the day feel noticeably lighter and more controlled. The protein in salmon is easily absorbed and reaches the muscles quickly, which is ideal after a night when the body has been breaking down its own tissues for energy. This gentle form of morning protein helps repair the fibers responsible for strength and balance, and gives your legs access to steady energy that lasts through the first part of the day. The natural presence of vitamin B12 further enhances the communication between your nerves and muscles, making your movements more coordinated and reducing those subtle moments of wobbling that often appear after 60. Adults who include salmon or similar fish in their diet several times a week often find that walking becomes smoother and that their legs recover more quickly after even small amounts of activity. A small morning portion can be enough to help your muscles feel nourished, supported, and ready for the day. Whether eaten fresh, lightly cooked, or enjoyed in a simple preparation that suits your routine, fatty fish offer your legs a kind of nourishment that keeps them resilient, steady, and ready to carry you confidently through your morning. Another morning choice that quietly strengthens the legs is a warm portion of sweet potatoes finished with a small pinch of natural mineral salt. Sweet potatoes provide a steady form of energy that the body can use immediately after fasting overnight, and this gentle rise in energy helps the leg muscles feel less heavy and more prepared for movement. Their natural carbohydrates refill depleted glycogen stores without creating sudden spikes in blood sugar, which means your legs receive a stable and dependable source of fuel as the day begins. The minerals inside sweet potatoes work in harmony with the body's own recovery processes. Potassium supports smooth muscle contractions and helps prevent the morning stiffness that often appears after hours of inactivity. Magnesium improves the nerve signals that control balance and coordination, which allows your steps to feel more secure. When a small amount of unrefined mineral salt is added, the trace minerals within it replenish electrolytes that may have been lost overnight, and this helps maintain steadier muscle tone and reduces the chances of cramping. Many older adults notice that when they eat sweet potatoes in the morning, especially when the food is warm and lightly salted, their legs feel more grounded, their steps feel more stable, and the discomfort that often appears early in the day becomes significantly less noticeable. This simple food, prepared in just a few minutes, becomes a quiet but powerful way to support independence and confident walking throughout the day. Although the right breakfast can restore strength to your legs, what you do in the first minutes after waking also shapes how well your muscles perform throughout the day. When you rise calmly and give your body a moment to adjust, your circulation begins to move more freely, your balance centers activate more gently, and your legs respond with greater stability. A few deep breaths before standing, a slow stretch of your ankles, and a moment to reconnect with your body allow your muscles and nerves to synchronize after a night of stillness. A small drink of warm water with a touch of natural salt can also help your body regain the fluid and minerals it lost overnight, which supports steadier movements and prevents early morning shakiness. Light morning sunlight strengthens your bones and helps your muscles use calcium more effectively, which is especially important when you rely on your legs for daily independence. Just a few minutes outdoors can help you feel more awake, balanced, and prepared to move with confidence. When you follow this gentle rhythm and pair it with a breakfast rich in supportive foods, your legs receive everything they need to restore strength, improve circulation, and overcome the muscle loss that often accelerates after 60. Even the smallest adjustments, such as giving your body time to wake, choosing nourishing foods early in the day, and offering your legs the minerals and proteins they need, begin to rebuild your foundation step by step. Each morning becomes an opportunity to regain a little more strength, a little more balance, and a little more confidence. Your legs do not weaken because of age alone. They weaken when they are not given what they need to recover. Once you begin supporting them from the moment you wake, they respond with remarkable resilience. Many seniors discover that within a few weeks, their steps feel smoother, their mornings feel lighter, and the fear of falling slowly fades. Your legs can carry you far into the years ahead if you treat your mornings as the beginning of your strength, not the beginning of your decline. If this message resonates with you and you want to continue learning how to stay strong and independent, make sure you like this video, subscribe to Healthy Seniors Corner, and turn on the notifications so you never miss what comes next. Your journey towards stronger legs begins every morning, and every morning gives you another chance to reclaim the energy, stability, and confidence you deserve.